Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to show you our process and how we actually create YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or Facebook vertical videos. I'm actually going to show you from scratch. Right now I have a pro account. You can do this for free. I definitely recommend the pro account. You have a lot more different features available to you. So I'm going to start from scratch. This is the homepage once you sign in. Go to social media, and then I'm going to do a vertical video. So Instagram is a square. I'm going to go to a vertical video like this. So you'll see this workspace, you'll see this little square right here. If I wanted to do another 5-second scene, I'll just click that and click that. If I wanted to add a transition, click transition right here. I'll go dissolve, and then add another transition right here. I'll go dissolve. There's other transitions available, obviously. You can see this one is now 4.7 seconds long. This one is 4.5 seconds long. I'm gonna start at the end because I know I have a clip that I can go ahead and throw in there. So we're gonna go in and grab this clip right here, expand it so that it'll fit the rectangle. And there you go. I'm going to shorten this clip actually. I'm going to shorten it to 4 seconds long. Alright. And then down here I'm going to add some text. Let's make this this big. Right here you can change the type of font. I'll use this one. Did you know it is impossible for most people? Right here, I'm going to change the color. Outline to it, and so you can see the outline. You can see this better, and I'm going to thicken the line a little bit. Okay, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to the next scene, paste it, and I'm going to change it like that. Okay, so right now it says, did you know it is impossible for most people to lift their elbows? But if you look at it, the text is not animated. So if I want to animate the text, I'm going to click it right here, hit animate, and you see you have a whole bunch of different animations right here. Let's go typewriter. I can change the speed, slow it down on entry only. Perfect. And I'm going to go to the next one, same thing. Typewriter, entry only, speed. Okay. I'm going to go and grab some video clips. And let's say, thinking. The Canva Pro account gives you access to free video clips like these. So once I choose a video clip and I click it, it shows up on my first scene, and I can just stretch it out to what I need and then push it back down to 4 seconds, which is what I like. And I will put elbows. See if we have any clips on elbows. I want to pick this one, stretch it out. And make sure I get that elbow in there. Perfect. There we go. I'm going to shorten this clip back down to 4 seconds, and this is what it looks like. All right, not too bad, but we would like some sound, right? So let's go to, I have some sounds uploaded. I'm gonna go to audio. Right now the little arrow is at the beginning, which is where we want it to be. So now I'm gonna click the actual words to the song, and it's gonna add it right at the bottom, okay? If you don't like where it starts, so this is where it starts right now. So if I don't like where that starts, I'm going to click the song, double click it, and you'll see that you can actually slide and change where you want the song to start. There we go, right? And then I'm going to hit download, and I'm going to save it to a folder. Now what I do is I actually run through and make 30 of these, real quick, 30 of them, right? And then I'll just throw it onto my phone, and I will schedule it to YouTube, and just hit upload videos, schedule it, and you can see that I have a ton of these scheduled. So I have a short, a YouTube short that pops out every single day. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, y'all have a great day.